Hi, I'm Jeff with Enjoy Our Yard. Have you ever wondered why some deciduous trees lose their leaves in the fall and some don't? Marcescence is the term for the process of some trees holding onto their leaves until the spring. In our case, we have 3 oaks, and we've noticed that for many years. It also happens to the American beechwood, as well as witch hazel and some others. Evidently, during the fall, some of the cells on the tree, especially at the end of the twigs and the leaf stems, they form a separation called an abscission layer. And that process isn't complete in some of these trees until the spring. When it's complete, the leaves fall, which happens to most of the deciduous trees. We have 3 oaks, and we've noticed that is definitely the case. By spring, maybe a third of the leaves have not fallen off. It tends to happen on younger trees or the lower branches of mature trees. I'm not a fan of raking, so in the fall there's not quite as many to rake because a bunch stay on the tree. In the spring, though, it's playing catch up, so give or take. A couple reasons as to why that may happen. So one, if you have infertile or dry soil, the leaf dropping in the spring can serve as a conservation of water. It's going to help get you through the next couple seasons as serving as a mulch. You have other trees that do that in the fall, so this continues that. If you have some birds that overwinter, it can serve as a shelter for them with those leaves in place. And then for deer, you also have it as a deterrent or a barrier, because as the deer see the leaves or hear the leaves, they're not going to be able to be as likely to chew on the tree, especially your young trees or those low-lying branches. So it serves as a deer deterrent. Because of the cold and the wind, in our case, our trees are very tall, so those top leaves are going to fall off, but the lower branches, they're the ones that tend to stay on. So it's just some of the environmental conditions. So there you have a couple reasons as to why. In the meantime, enjoy the not raking in the fall, but come spring, here we go. Thanks for watching.